So sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to go ahead and create out a long form. So in that case, what you can actually do is you can utilize something called multi-page form. So to do that, you can click on add element, and then let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in some elements right here. Now, apart from that, you can click on add new page right here. And then around over here, you can go ahead and add in more elements right here, just like this. Then I'm going to add more pages, and around over here, I'm going to go ahead and add in more sections. So you can actually go around over here, let's say for example, right here, and then click and drag out the section right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and then you can see that you can navigate in between pages. So this is what you have, and then you can click on the three dot button and name those pages as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say more details right here. Then I'm going to go to page 3 and then rename this out right here. So let's rename this out as extra details right here. So this is what you can do, and then you can actually go ahead and rearrange out the pages as you want as well. And of course, after that, you got the thank you page right here at the end. So if I were to go around over here, this is what you have, as you can see, and you got multi-page let's say form right here. And if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now you can see that I can click on back right here. So this is the first page. You can see that I can click on next and it goes to the next page. Click on next, it goes to the next page, and hence you have a multi-page form. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create out multi-page form inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.